Hey everyone, welcome back to Cash Current. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of cryptocurrency and crypto trading. If you've ever wondered what crypto is or how trading works, you're in the right place. What is cryptocurrency? So, what exactly is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a decentralized ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This makes cryptocurrencies secure and transparent. Popular cryptocurrencies. Some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, introduced in 2009, and remains the most popular today. What is crypto trading? Now let's talk about crypto trading. Crypto trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrencies with the aim of making a profit. It can be done on various platforms called exchanges. Traders analyze market trends, price charts, and news to make informed decisions about when to buy or sell. The volatility of crypto markets can lead to significant gains, but it also comes with risks. Types of crypto trading. There are several types of trading strategies. Day trading involves buying and selling within the same day, while swing trading takes advantage of price changes over a few days or weeks. Long-term investing or holding is when you buy and hold for months or years. Risks and rewards. While crypto trading can be lucrative, it's essential to understand the risks. Market fluctuations can lead to rapid losses. It's crucial to do your research, use secure exchanges, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. So, there you have it. An overview of cryptocurrency and crypto trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on finance and investing. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Cash Current.